And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I give it a good old slam, big slam. Yeah. Come on, man. That's much. You got a couple 15s in here and a couple 4Ks.
That's not much.
Yeah, it is okay for a daily drive.
Hey, it's plenty in there.
Yeah, let's see what else 20 hertz will do.
Okay, I think you got some roll
Afraid I'm going to die. It's too late. The same thing from this fucking place. It's too high.
Hey, that's something serious right there.
It does anything I want to do.
It seems like it's not running hot or anything here.
Nah, I just got here. It's give it a little bit of heat up, but
Yeah.
it'll be okay.
Hey, man, that thing sounds good, man. Are you on social media anywhere?
Absolutely.
Okay, where can I find you at?
Facebook, mainly, honestly.
Okay, what's your name on there?
Joshua Carey Genius.
Okay.
I'm just joined up with Team Poo-Poo, stuff like that.
Yeah.
You find me all around the place.
Okay, man. I hope to see it again, man.
Too,
I had your video, man.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate the videos.
Yeah, man.
Ooh,
Appreciate
some
it.
stickers.
Appreciate it, bro.
No problem. There's a door handle down there.
Right here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming apart. You know how it is.
Oh, yeah, that's a part of it.
Take it easy, bro.
Yeah.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.